Welcome to Fab Exclusive. How do you insert a poll question in PowerPoint? 1. Register a free account with VBox, the #1 rated polling and Q&A platform for hybrid. 2. After registering, enable to account by clicking the verification link on registered mail. 3. After you enter, the session would be inactive. So start the session by naming it. 4. Create a poll. The following options appear. Question type. Multichoice. World cloud. Text. Rating. Numeric. XY plot. 5. Then followed by question title. 6. Choices for the poll should be provided. If the choice is more than 2, add choice options. 7. Additional settings allow selections whether one or both choices. 8. Click Create. 9. Under Info, click PowerPoint ADD in. 10. The following message appears. Integrate with PowerPoint. Our PowerPoint add-in allows you to create and manage VBox polls directly from PowerPoint. Just create your questions, connect it with your VBox account and present it to your audience. 11. Click the Page Next button, then download and install the add-in. Download and run the installation file. You need administrator privileges on your computer to successfully install the add-in. 12. Close the PowerPoint and reopen it so that you will find the VBox tab near the Help. 13. Click on VBox. Proceed with creating the poll.
ஆ புரியல. ஆ ஏன் கம்மி பண்ண மாட்டாளா? ஒரே நிமிஷம். ம் 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 புரிஞ்சிருச்சு. ஒர்க் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா.
Thanks for watching Fab Exclusive. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for updates.